This is the completed setup for this lesson. So let's start. We'll be using switch case boxes to trigger outputs. Outputs are triggered when there is a match on inputs. Using what you have learned so far, add speech recognition box in workspace. From the box libraries again, search for switch case box, add to your workspace. Arrange your boxes on the workspace to create more space on the right. From the box libraries again, search for mouse animation box, add to workspace, do the same for elephant and gorilla. Next, we will add 3 say text boxes. Change the name of the box according to the animal type, whether it's mouse, elephant, or gorilla. Repeat the same setup for 2 more say text boxes. In the switch case box, add mouse to the first row, elephant to the second row, and gorilla to the third row. Go back to the speech recognition box and add to the word list mouse, elephant, gorilla. Lastly, join up the inputs and outputs of each box accordingly. To stop the speech recognition box after an output is generated, connect the output from the speech recognition box to its stopped input. When nothing is detected, continue to activate the speech recognition box. So connect the on nothing output to input. You are now ready to start. Press the play button. Let's try saying mouse and see if now can recognize and act out the animal.
Mouse.
Hello, I am Mouse.
Now try saying elephant and see if now is able to act out an elephant.
Elephant.
Hello, I am Elephant.
Lastly, let's try saying gorilla and see if now knows what is a gorilla.
Gorilla.
Hello, I am Gorilla.
Congratulations, you have completed lesson 3.